A couple of 2x4s and a 2x6 is all you need to upgrade your patio with this beautiful plant stand. Here I am cutting the 4 legs. They have 15-degree parallel angle cuts and are 31 inches long. Halfway through the top end of each leg gets a 75-degree angle cut. This angle cut jig makes it easy and hands-free. Be sure to save all 4 of the cut-off pieces. Here's the jig up close. Now I'm cutting the pieces for the shelves. 2 20-inch pieces of 2x6 and 2 16-inch pieces of 2x6. Giving the pieces a good sanding. Here I'm cutting the slots with a biscuit joiner to attach the legs together. Gluing up, and I'm using number 10 size biscuits. Here is where the 75-degree cutoff pieces come in handy. Drilling the pocket holes. A few to attach the boards together and then 2 that will attach to each leg. For the bottom shelf I start at 2.5 inches in from the end, and for the top shelf about 4 inches in. Now it's time for the assembly. I'm using a couple of pieces of scrap wood at 4 1/4 inches under the bottom shelf. Making sure everything is lined up. Tack it in place with a nail gun, and then I will finish securing later with pocket hole screws. Same procedure with the top shelf. I'm using 12 3/4 inch spacer boards here. Then the pocket hole screws get installed. As you can see, it is a pretty sturdy stand. Here are the dimensions. Paint or stain however you want. If the shelves will be a different color than the frame, I suggest doing those separate before assembly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for stopping by, and I will catch you on the next video.